right, underway. Уулу from Kyrgyzstan in the blue, Егоров in the red for Macedonia. Action started. Inside control for Алмаз, cleared out by Егоров. Shot attempt by Алмаз, setting an aggressive tone here in the early going. And there's a shot from Kyrgyzstan, extended, and gonna be tough to finish. No finish, stalemated 40 seconds in. Inside control collar tie there by Егоров. Now left side control for Алмаз. Minute 15 down for the opening period of this match, 57 kilograms. A spot in tonight's semifinals on the line and guaranteed to wrestle for a medal if you win this match. Another shot from Алмаз, but well defended by Егоров, who is on the shot clock. He'll have 20 seconds to score before surrendering the first point of this match. And now double leg, and he's gonna get two, and two more for Уулу. 4-0 and the one reversal. And the turn for Егоров. Back and forth we go. And another gut wrench for Егорov, taking the lead. What a response after giving up 4 points. 5 unanswered after the reversal. And now over-under position. Five now. And a shot, low high crotch here. And trying to finish, unable to do so. Five at the break. Exciting first period here. And an easy step out there. Could be a caution for Алмаз уулу of Kyrgyzstan. And now a shot by Алмаз уулу, defended by Егоров, who trails by 1 now. And there's a go behind, extending his lead, Алмаз уулу. And attempting a turn, can't get it. A lot of points on the board here as he goes head in the whole lace. He's got it. Beautiful parterre offense there. As it's 10-5 now, and another turn, extending the lead 12-5. And there's going to be more points for Алмаз уулу, and now a 9-point lead. Now a point away from technical superiority for Алмаз уулу.